Hello all, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to talk about top 5 best faceless channel ideas where we can create the channels without showing our face. So let's dive into it. The first channel idea is storytelling or story recap. It could be any of the movie or book or anything else that we can summarize. This is especially for the movie recap or the story recap. Like the perfect example for this channel is this story recap, where the story been recapped in a shorter form, whereas the movie becomes around 2.5 hours. It's been summarized on 15 to 20 minutes. This one is story recap based faceless channel. The next one is the tech review. We can review any of the product with its feature, and here also we don't have to show our face on camera. It's a tech review based channel. So the another one is top 10, or let's say it's not the comparing but showing on the basis like we can collect and make the top 10 video. It's like top 10 model, top 10 actress or top 10 actors. We can simply create the video based on this top 10 needs. This is the perfect example for it. It's a BAM, sorry how it's pronounced, BAM countdown. You can get the reference from here. And the next one is the animal fact. It's an animal fact basis, like we can simply review or describe the fact of the animals where we don't have to show our face. Back to back, the last one for this video, it's a luxury or the Bulge Empire. It's the perfect example for it. Let's say we can create the billionaire lifestyle, luxury cars, luxury stuff, luxury travel, and so on. We only need footage that we can get from several sources, and we simply give some credit to them and create the content for us, whereas we don't have to show the face again. These 5 are the initially can get started CashCow based channel or faceless channels. So more videos ideas will be coming on the next part, so stay tuned for that and see you on the next one.